How to share a memory on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to share a memory on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now choose memory from this menu section. Once you reach on the section, you can choose layout for your memories of any of your choice, and after that instead you can also create a new post by adding your own thoughts. You can tap what's on your mind, and here you can choose the different kinds of frames or the background for adding your thoughts. After that, you can also tag people using the tag icon. You can add images allowing access to your camera roll. You can tap the stickers and insert the feelings as well. You can add the location, and using the three dots, you can choose the background color, GIF, live event, music, your avatar, and many more. Once done, you can tap on the post at top right corner of the screen. Also, let's come back again by discarding this post. After that, you can simply tap on the share icon at bottom right corner of the screen. And then if you want to share on your timeline, this will open the sharing options. You can choose your post privacy. You can choose to share your memory with everyone or with specific groups or individual. Then you have to click post to share your memories on your timeline. By following this step, you can easily share your Facebook memory and enjoy with your friends. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.